This is the new Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25, and here's everything that's new. So with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we are now not only getting a smaller and thinner device, which is now more curved compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the display is also now slightly larger at 6.9 inches compared to 6.8. The phone still retains the titanium chassis, but now in terms of the cameras, we get a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a bigger vapor chamber cooler, which is around 45% larger than the year before. And in terms of the chip powering this device, we're getting the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip made for Galaxy, which just means it's significantly more powerful than the year before. Unfortunately though, with the Galaxy S Pen, we are losing Bluetooth, which I don't know who really used, and unfortunately we're not getting any battery improvements in terms of a larger battery or faster charging tech. And also, no Qi 2. But now let's talk about the S25 Plus and Galaxy S25, because in those two devices, not only are we getting the same processor upgrade with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor made for Galaxy, but we're also getting a thinner and lighter device compared to last year.